All right, this morning on Today Food, we are answering the age-old summer party question, what can I bring? Well, today contributor Elizabeth Heiskell has 2 delicious summer salad recipes, and no pressure, Elizabeth. But there are 3 Yankees eating your food. We need them to be in good health. I hope this is good and tasty.
They're cute. They're cute.
They're cute.
Honey,
they want ribs. I don't know if they want this.
You're here on salad day. Sorry.
We told them to stay away from the drinks, though.
Yeah.
She's not a heavy pour.
Absolutely. So, I mean, y'all know it's hot as the hinges of hell in the South right now. And nobody wants to be sweating in the kitchen. So we're going to do these great, easy salads that we can pull together quickly.
Okay.
All right, so now I'm going to get you. Yes, it's
I've never shaved a vegetable.
I still don't like you with knives.
No, she is wonderful.
No. Are you
all right,
sure,
so here we go. Take off the ends here. Very good.
So snappy about
and then we're going to shave it just like this.
Oh, okay.
Careful.
Look at you. Okay, Maddie. Okay, Maddie. You got it. Yeah, okay, keep going.
Yeah, real
so
confident.
now we go in here. Now, with our fennel,
you're making...
and then with our fennel. Oh, come on. I had such high hopes. All right, let's move on over. Let's move to the fennel then.
Okay, you move to the fennel.
Yes.
All right.
Now, if you don't love fennel...
Oh, you're better at that.
If you don't love fennel, you can always use celery. That's a great option. We're going to put that in there. And then we're going to start making our dressing.
You're moving so fast for us. Okay, yes, keep going. All right, we're
So we've got a little bit of honey. We've got some Dijon. We also have got some lemon juice.
Okay.
And then we're going to slowly drizzle the oil in here. The oil. I was waiting.
Wait. Yankees love it.
Y'all like it?
Pause for Yankees reaction. Okay, what are y'all doing? What do you think?
Delicious.
You know, and that's the thing. I mean, really, y'all forget
Feels
it.
like
Listen,
summer.
we need to drink.
Yes.
That's not fair. They're drinking, and I want to drink.
I know, but they got a game. When's the next game?
So these
Tonight.
Tonight.
No, they're going to be mad.
I'm going to be the reason. They got drunk on the Today Show.
Please win, or we're going to have angry Yankees fans.
These are virgins.
No, I don't
Okay. So now we're going to...
Oh, my God. That is raw.
It is a peach and Aperol margarita. You know we love a margarita.
Okay, this is beautiful. Now what do we do?
So now what we do is we're going to add pine nuts. We're adding pine nuts. We're adding Parmesan.
Okay, sorry, I got distracted.
We're going to add that vinaigrette that I just made.
Yeah.
Let's get the vinaigrette in there.
Dump it in.
Yes,
and the
please.
fennel too. The whole thing.
And then and then I want you to
watch me toss.
And then you're going to toss.
What about these?
All right, now this salad is one of my favorite things. It's everything from the farmer's market.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, yeah, that's it. It's just a super
We'll just move on. We don't have time for all that.
So.
We got to keep it cooking.
All right, so here we are. This is farmer's market salad. The deal is, if it grows together, it goes together, okay?
What does that mean?
So we have, because corn, peaches.
Okay, got it.
If you see it at a farmer's market, it's all going to go together. So it doesn't matter. You can put anything you love in there.
Okay.
Now, this is my favorite trick. So when you've got all these little tomatoes.
Yeah, I want to see this.
So we're going to put this on top, and then you just cut straight through.
That's
Isn't
a protein.
Yes.
Come on.
Yeah,
That's a life hack.
That's a hack, right?
So then we're going to add this in.
Life hack.
And then I've got smoked chicken. Now listen, you can just go to your local barbecue stand, pick up some smoked chicken,
stick it in.
or I mean, you can smoke your own. I think that's legal in y'all's state now.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah. I thought
not in Mississippi.
All right, so let's work on our vinaigrette.
Okay.
No, not in Mississippi, not yet, not ever probably. All right, so let's go ahead and add some lemon juice to this.
Lemon juice.
And then we've got balsamic. We're going to throw in 2 cloves of garlic.
Just whole like that?
Okay. Because we're going to blend it.
Okay.
And then a little bit of zest, which we love a zester.
Yes. And what's this?
And the Parmesan's going to go in.
The whole thing?
It's a Parmesan vinaigrette.
What's the drink, Elizabeth?
Yeah,
The drink is a peach and Aperol margarita.
Yes. That's fantastic.
I mean, is it not one of the best things you've ever put in your mouth?
so good.
Yankees like it? We're out of time.
We are out of time.
Italy? Enjoy it?
Delicious. Yes. Amazing. Thank you very much.
All right,
I'm going to need this recipe.
They're all they're fueled up and liquored up for the game tonight.
Liquored up for the game.
Thanks, Elizabeth. You'd have it no other way. If you want to get your hands on these recipes, go to today.com/food. Thank you again, Yankees, for all your hard work, and hope you enjoy that meal.
Good luck tonight.
And we're back in a moment.
Picture to go.
This is today.
Oh, you got to get enough pictures on your tab.
This is strong.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.